Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I share recipes, tips, and techniques with you. Today we are making chocolate souffles. I know the word souffle can scare a lot of people off, but please don't let it. I'm going to be with you step by step of the way, sharing the method and the techniques and important tips as we go along. So come along. First thing I want to do is separate our eggs. We're going to be using 3 large eggs. And yes, I'm doing it this way. I love just separating my eggs like this. I've set my eggs aside, so we're gonna start chopping up our chocolate. You want to use pure chocolate, like Ghirardelli, and that's what I'm using here. We're just gonna roughly chop these up. We're gonna take our chocolate and we're gonna put it in a bowl, along with 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And we're gonna microwave this at 20-second increments so it's melted. So our chocolate is completely melted. As you can see, there are no lumps or bumps, and that's really important. Now I'm gonna let this cool for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to whisk in our egg yolk. The reason I wanted to let the chocolate sit for a little bit is because it was hot and I didn't want our egg yolks to actually cook. So now that the chocolate is cooled enough, I'm just gonna stir in the egg yolks until they're nicely incorporated. To our chocolate mixture, I'm gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Now to the really fun part, we're gonna add our egg whites and our cream of tartar. What we're gonna do is beat our egg whites at high speed. Now you can use a stand mixer or handheld. Today I'm going to show my handheld mixer some love. I'm going to beat the egg whites and the cream of tartar together on high speed until soft peaks form, about 2 minutes. Here's the tip. The rise of our chocolate souffles is going to come from these egg whites and the cream of tartar. The cream of tartar helps the egg whites keep their shape. This is about 2 minutes, and you can see there are very soft peaks that have formed. Now I'm going to be adding sugar to the egg whites, and I'm going to beat these until they're stiff and glossy. Okay, do you see how our egg whites have come together? They're nice and glossy, stiff peaks are forming, and this is exactly what we want. Now we're going to take our egg whites. We're going to fold them into our chocolate mixture. Here's another tip. You need to do this very carefully. When you're folding your egg whites into the chocolate mixture, you want to go very slow because the egg whites are what is going to make the souffle rise. I like to do this in 3 additions. So here's our second addition. And here's our last addition. What I'm doing, I'm just folding it, kind of going around the sides and just kind of folding it on top of each other. And I'll know that it's ready because none of the egg white will actually be showing anymore. We're almost there. And there we are. Now we're gonna take this mixture and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. While our souffle mixture is in the refrigerator, I'm going to be coating our ramekins with very soft butter. The reason I'm putting the batter in the refrigerator to chill as the oven preheats is chilled souffle batter will rise a bit taller. Now I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to put it into each ramekin, and I'll show you what I'm going to do here in a second. I'm going to take each ramekin, going to coat the outsides and the bottom with the sugar. So our mixture's out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to try and evenly as I can fill our ramekins with the souffle mixture. These are 6-ounce ramekins. Now that we have our mixture in our ramekins, we're going to smooth out the mixture to the sides, like I'm doing right now. So now I'm going to take my offset spatula and I'm going to run this around the edges of each ramekin to create a channel. Making a channel between the batter and the rim of the ramekin forces the souffle to rise up instead of expand out. Now we're going to take our souffles and we're going to put them in the oven. It's been preheated to 400 degrees. As soon as I get these in the oven, I'm going to reduce the heat to 375 and we're going to bake them for about 14 minutes. And voila! Look at how they have risen. Here's another tip. They need to be eaten ASAP because these will start deflating in minutes. I'm going to take my little sifter and I'm going to sprinkle some powdered sugar over the tops, just like that. This is all you need. You can go and make fancy sauces, creme anglaise, a raspberry sauce, a strawberry sauce, but for now, this is all I'm gonna do. Well, thanks for coming along with me as we made these delicious chocolate soufflés. So light and fluffy, so chocolatey. The process of making these soufflés literally takes 45 minutes from start to finish. And the end result is a delicious, fluffy, chocolatey soufflé. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.